Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the battery. Let's stop. Then let's go and find battery style and percentage. And as you can see, here we've got the battery percentage option. We can do not display it at all, which is of course right now applied in my case, or display it outside the battery icon. And as you can see, it will immediately appear next to the battery icon. Beware, because the way of showing the percentage strongly depends on the specific style. So for example, if I will choose the horizontal one, we will totally change the look of the battery icon. But we've got also another option to display the percentage, because right now we can show it inside the battery icon. As you can see, it is visible, however it is I would say relatively small and not really that readable. The same situation with the circle, I mean the same as in the vertical one. We've got only two different options, so we can display it outside the battery icon or hide it. So just choose the option which you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.